Hi, my name is Antoinette, and I'm an interior designer, and I have just recently renovated my home design studio. So I'd love to show you around what I've done, gut renovation, but more importantly, I had to create an exterior outdoor bathroom because I only had one inside my home. So when my clients come, I wanted them to kind of have their own space out here. So everything was perfect, got almost everything done, but I just needed some finishing touches. And so I looked to my good friend Nathan Turner and his team at Wallshoppe, who created his beautiful paper. And so let me show you what we're gonna do. Being a designer, I usually have amazing people on my team to create spaces, but because I was doing this on a budget, I did a lot of the work for myself. So as you'll notice by my walls, there's a lot of imperfection, but I'll tell you, hanging drywall is really a fun thing. I suggest you do it. Thank goodness for this fabulous wallpaper that I chose, that I'm going to be able to kind of cover up some of these imperfections. So again, this is Nathan Turner's fabulous paper, which is really, for me, interesting because I just moved from New York, so I wanted to bring a little bit of New York, Harlem, a little New York to California, so from Harlem to Hermosa. So I'm going to hang this on the walls and hide all these hideous imperfections from my job, which was really fun, even though it doesn't look that great. And then I thought this is a fun little pop. So this is also from Nathan, and it's the dots, and it's a little bit more of a piece that we're going to add to this for the ceiling. So let's see how it goes. Wow, it looks amazing in here. The textures are perfect. It's just exactly how Nathan described it. Look at here. I love the ceiling. It's a fun pop, and it kind of ties in so well with the colors I love, black, gray, white, but it also draws into all the fun pattern of my beloved New York, which I just left. So I feel like, in a way, my office is reflecting where I came from in New York to now where I am in Hermosa. So this paper, for me, it's so representative of everything I love about New York. Especially I look at this and I love New York, the shopping, because that's what you just do in New York. And then I look at this here with the martinis, and that's me and my girls meeting up at one of our fabulous hotels down in Soho or something and having some wonderful drinks. And then of course, well, I'm not big on the pigeons, that's just one thing about New York that I don't miss at all. But I do miss the bridge, traveling to Brooklyn and walking across the bridge was just a thing. So I'm gonna miss that a lot, but thank God, oh my gosh. But then, this paper is fabulous. They even have the coffee cup, which is a total New York staple, the blue cup with the writing. It's just very iconic New York. So this paper is spot on. It's giving me all the fever of New York. I love it.